Kalanona first arrived in Hiare over 6 years ago, even before the Hiare Wildlife Conservation Center was built. She had experienced an unsettled life full of turmoil and tragedy. Soon after her placement in the forest, she was back to her old tricks of being a nuisance to the local villagers. This southern purple-faced leaf monkey had been illegally kept as a pet, where she had developed a taste for sugary bakery products. One of her raids for bread resulted in her being badly injured by what appeared to be boiling water thrown at her. She was rescued by the Wildlife Conservation Society Gaul and brought to the Center for Treatment on 14th September 2013. The center works in collaboration with the Department of Wildlife Conservation and is funded by the nation's Trust Bank. It is home of Sri Lanka's first wildlife animal hospital. The mischievous monkey did not come to the center alone. Kalanona's newborn baby accompanied her. It was her 5th birth. She was an outcast, and the wild members of her kind tragically killed the other 4 babies she had borne. Kalanona clung desperately to this infant. After a full recovery from her injuries, the society decided she and her baby should be released on a small forested area in the Hiare Reservoir. The island is ideal for her protection as no other monkeys reside there, and she can be carefully monitored by the center's staff. She and her baby will have an opportunity to lead a normal life. The island is abundant with wild fruiting trees that are suitable for shelter and food. 6 weeks after her arrival at the center, Kalanona and her baby were put into a crate, carried to the water's edge, and loaded on a waiting boat. It is a short trip to the release site. She was calm as they floated away. This primate is a lucky case. As the human population increases, monkeys' natural habitats are being destroyed. As a result, the center sees many injured monkeys. Most are electrocuted from walking on power lines. After a peaceful journey, Kalanona was uncrated and offered ripe jackfruit. She happily accepted her treat. After a few bites, she made her way to the treetop where she could inspect her new home. She seemed pleased.